Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Oasis88 Chinese shopping app. And in this video, I'm going to show you on how to know if your goods or item has been shipped by the supplier on Oasis88 Chinese shopping app. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on Oasis88, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to your Oasis88 Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Oasis88 Chinese shopping app. After you open up your Oasis88 Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to go to your profile. And for you to go to profile, click on this particular icon right here. Click on there. And it's going to take you right here. For every product that is on transit, it's going to be found right here. So simply click on that. So simply click on this particular one right here. So just like so, I have this particular product here on transit. And how you can easily get your tracking number for this particular product. For that, what you need to do is to click on the button right here from the goods right here. Click on this button right here. Click on that. It's going to load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. Then you see all tracking detail of the particular goods. The more you scroll down, the more you see the tracking detail. However, this product here is still on transit. It has not yet been delivered. That is why you see this particular movement on the map right here. For you to get for you to copy the tracking number, simply click on this particular icon right here. It means copy. Once you copy the tracking number, you can easily send the tracking number to the shipping company that you are using for your shipment from China to any part of the world. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using Oasis88 Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want to procure link on Oasis88, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.